How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So if you have deleted certain friends on Snapchat and now you want to find them and re-add them or something like that, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the chat section of Snapchat. If you want to remove or delete some friends, then you just have to press and hold over someone's profile and you'll be able to see this option. You just have to go for manage friends save and you can go for remove friends. By doing that, your friend will be deleted. So in order to find that friend, you have to tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and here you'll be able to see add friends option. Simply tap over there, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for the username of the person. Before deleting, you need to know the username of the person. If the person is already in touch with your other friends, then you can ask for the person's username. Then you can enter over here and you'll be able to find your friends. You can search for them. For example, let me search for this one. And after that, you'll be able to find that person. Then you just can add over here and the person will be added and they will get back to you. So this is how easily you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.